How to turn on automatic brightness on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Accessibility as shown. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Under the Vision section, tap on the Display and Text Size option. This page contains various settings that allow you to customize your iPhone's display. Scroll all the way to the bottom to find and turn on the switch for auto brightness. When this is enabled, your iPhone will seamlessly adjust the screen brightness for you. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn on the automatic brightness feature on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.